Every single day I talk to people with shoulder pain, and the conclusion is that shoulder pain sucks. In this video, I'm gonna go over my top 5 shoulder pain relief exercises, and it's only gonna take 5 minutes. My name is Dr. Joey Seyforth, owner of Comeback Performance and Wellness, where we've helped over 1,000 people around the world overcome shoulder pain and injuries, get their lives back through our one-on-one online coaching program. Today, I'm going to go over 5 easy exercises that you can do to calm down your shoulder pain in minutes. 99% of people do not need injections or surgery. Shoulder pain can be stemming from a lot of different sources, and if we're jumping to those routes, we're just guessing on what the root cause is. Many people are put through the quote-unquote healthcare ringer. They see different doctors, providers, physical therapists. They're given the same exercises, same routine, and they're stuck in this never-ending cycle when the root cause is never addressed. These 5 exercises that I'm about to show you are going to improve mobility in the neck, T-spine, shoulder, and shoulder blade, and also strengthen the rotator cuff at the same time. Make sure to complete these exercises in the order that I demonstrate them, as we're starting with mobility and then we're working into strength and activation. The first exercise is called a bench opener. You're going to be kneeling with your elbows up on a bench, and you're going to grab a PVC pipe or broomstick. From there, keeping your palms up and holding the PVC pipe there, you're going to drop your butt back and chest forward. You should feel a stretch through your lats, and also can feel your thoracic spine and your upper back opening up. By completing this exercise, this is loosening up these 2 areas instantly and also providing relief to the shoulder because now it has more freedom to move. Focus on the stretch that feels good. If you're experiencing pain, you want to kiss the pain, meaning you want to work up until right before you feel the pain and then backing off the tension. Moving in and out of this position allows the shoulder to open up and get more comfortable in this position at the same time. This exercise is also helping get extension in our thoracic spine. This is great for people that are sitting at the computer throughout the day or in the same positions over and over. Complete 15 reps of this exercise. The next exercise is a wall open book. You're gonna head over to the wall and you're gonna be kneeling with the furthest knee away from the wall and keeping your hip connected with the other knee. From there, you're going to start with your hands together against the wall. After that, you're going to open up, keeping one shoulder against the wall and rotating the other shoulder away from the wall, following your eyes with your hands and moving through whatever positions that you can. Once again, do not force the motion. You can stop when you get to your end range, or if you can touch the wall. After you get to either one of those, you're going to return back to the original position. Complete 15 reps on each side of this exercise. You might notice that one side gets to go a little bit further than the other. That is completely normal, but also shows the deficits and why we need to address those. The next one is a wall slide. This is one of my favorites and also one of my clients' favorites, as they get the most relief from this. You're gonna find a wall, and you can either put one foot in front or you can keep your feet even. I like to put my left foot first because it feels the best. You're gonna take your hands on the wall. From there, you're gonna slide your arms up the wall and lean your chest forward. You do not need to keep your forearms against the wall, and you are not pushing very hard against the wall. Let the wall do the work. As you slide your arms up, you're going to lean your chest forward. Once you get to the top, hang out there for a second or 2, and then return back down. You're going to keep moving through those motions. Do 15 reps of this exercise. You should be getting further as you pass the 10 rep mark and should be getting higher and higher. The next exercise is called a wall angel. Couple different reasons for giving this exercise. Number 1 is lengthening and stretching out the pecs in the front. With people that have shoulder pain, typically have tightness in. And we're also strengthening the postural muscles in the back of the shoulders and upper back as we're going through this exercise. To start, you're going to find a wall and place your feet in front. You're going to sit into the wall, keeping your back nice and flat. You're going to start with your elbows bent in front of you with your arms together. From there, you're going to open up your arms and bring your fingers back towards the wall. If you are not able to touch the wall, that is completely fine. Go to whatever motion that you can and then return back. If you're able to make it to the wall, bring your hands back. You don't need to bring your elbows all the way. Once your hands touch the wall, hang out for a second or 2 and then return to the original position. You will move in and out of that flow of that exercise. Let's say this exercise is feeling like it's not doing too much or too easy. The next progression is to bring your hands to the wall and then to slowly slide them up and down and then returning to the original position. This is a progression. A lot of people, if they're having shoulder pain, might not be able to do this. So do not force the motion and start where you need to. Complete 10 reps of this exercise. The last exercise is called a banded W hold. This is going to help get activation, also strengthening of 2 rotator cuff muscles in the back of the shoulder. These muscles are often weak in those that have shoulder pain. Grab a band and you want to focus on keeping your palms up. While your elbows are by your side, you're going to pull the band apart. As you pull the band apart, you're going to feel the back of your shoulder being activated. From there, you're going to hold that position and feel your shoulder getting engaged. Complete 10 reps of a 5-second hold. If this is too much, then back down the reps or back down the time that you're holding the band under tension. If it's too easy, hold it for a longer period of time. You can hold it up to 10 seconds or even longer and feel the back of that shoulder being activated tremendously. Now, this shoulder pain relief routine can be completed a couple times a day. I typically tell people if they're pretty flared up that they can complete this 2 to 3 times a day, and it should take around 5 minutes each time. These exercises are designed to do 2 things. 1, give movement to the shoulder, and 2, give blood flow to the shoulder. 2 things that are key for healing when we're having shoulder pain in the first place. These exercises are all designed to help calm down shoulder pain. That is also the reason why you can implement it a couple times throughout the day. Starting with the bench opener, we're opening up the lat and T-spine by dropping the chest and leaning back. This is a 2-for-1 exercise that can be an absolute game changer for many people. The wall open book exercise is designed for a couple of reasons. It's going to help open up the chest and also improve thoracic spine rotation mobility. The wall slides are followed up by that, and what we're really focusing on is improving shoulder overhead motion and then getting the shoulder blades to go up and around with upward rotation. By establishing more shoulder blade mobility, this can significantly offload the shoulders and make them feel a lot better. The wall angel is designed for a couple of different reasons. The first reason is that it's going to open up the chest and make things feel better. The second reason is going to work on postural muscles in the back to help with strength and stability for the shoulder. These muscles are responsible for providing stability to the shoulder, and it is so important in shoulder rehab to be strengthening these as well. These exercises alone have helped so many people reduce their shoulder pain throughout the day, but we also know that the job is not done. There's a lot more factors that go into shoulder rehab than just doing 5 exercises throughout the day. Although these exercises will provide temporary relief, it's not going to fix the root cause of the problem. And that's exactly what the first step is. Establishing what the root cause of the shoulder pain is, because from there you can build a game plan, a roadmap, checking all the boxes for what someone specifically needs and getting them to eliminate their shoulder pain and set them up for an active lifestyle forever, eliminating the shoulder pain from coming back. So if you're ready to kick this shoulder pain's butt and be done with it for good, and you're tired or tried physical therapy, chiropractic, injections, or surgery, but you're still having those issues, text me the word pain to 720-710-4371 to get a tailored step-by-step approach on my shoulder comeback method. This shoulder comeback method has helped so many people around the world eliminate their shoulder pain and get their lives back. Stop wasting time on this shoulder pain and thinking that it's just going to get better by trying a couple different exercises here and there. You need to have the root cause addressed. Don't miss out on the opportunity to get help. After you reach out, guys, please like and subscribe to the channel. It helps get the message out to more people that are having shoulder pain and issues. At Comeback Performance and Wellness, we have one mission. We're trying to help over 1 million people around the world eliminate shoulder pain, avoid unnecessary imaging, injections, or surgeries, and give them their lives back. It all starts from 1 like, 1 share, and putting the word out there. At Comeback Performance, the comeback is always stronger than the setback.